Hey, Bo Turner from 757 Makerspace here. In today's tech tip, I want to share something that I've recently learned, and I'm trying to get better about estimating for jobs, whether I'm using the laser cutter, the CNC machine, or any of the various tools here available to me. When we receive different projects, sometimes people will give us geometry, or let's say in the case of something like this, if I had the digital geometry for all of this, I've got all the inside information, I've got the outside. If I wanted to understand that and know how many inches total that is, like with all of that, that is like the total path length, everything inside and outside across the entire spectrum with that. There's not a great way to be able to do that natively, but I found that in this case I'm using Adobe Illustrator, and there is a tool inside of here that we can turn on. So if I go under the top in Window and I go and turn on Document Info, with my geometry here selected, it still doesn't show me everything, but if I go under the options, that is up here in the right hand corner of that toolbox, I can change documents to objects. And now, like you're seeing right here, I can see the entire thing displayed, and in my case it's showing it in inches, and yours is going to show based on whatever the default value is that you have for your preferences as far as units. Anyways, hope this tip is helpful for you. It's already saved me a bunch of time just in estimating, and I'll see you in the next tech tip. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.